It's showtime.
Oh god. Whoosh, I'm getting stabbed. I'm getting stabbed.
Oh my god.
I was not prepared.
Behind you, little bitch. How many times have I got Why?
Wow.
I shot him like 6 times with a magnum. I'm never using this gun again.
Ah!
Oh, he's there, I see him.
Someone killed that guy. Oh yeah, he did.
Again.
Yeah, I stole it.
You can call it that if you want, but it's a team game, Andre.
It does not! That's more expensive. The longer you wait!
I've got the UMP and an EMP, that's why.
Dachi. It's in the church. Ah!
Oh, it's testing the new weapon.
Someone's coming.
Where's
They're here.
the gun?
They're here. They're here. It's in the church.
Oh, great! As a car 98 in here, I'm taking this.
Chaos. Ooh.
It's in the church!
Oh, you drive. X.
I can't get in. You're blocking.
Oh. I am not blocking.
The bomb is blocking the door. Oh God!
You drive. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, why is it timer?
Timer.
Because the vehicle can't be in water, it drowns. Vehicle. Ah! No, so much!
Oh, Peanut. Pretty sure it's my name, it's my fault. Savage!
I was waiting for you to save me.
That was a huge gun. Like,
Jackpot. Grenades.
sound amazing.
I'm out of here. I repaired this car.
Nice. Works at
They
last.
fixed the bug.
Oh, look how quick it is. Well, easy, Andre! This is a fast.
It was snowy.
Well, look how quick it is.
Yeah. Ooh, my save.
Oh,
See my tailor, he's called Simon. I know it's going to.
He's jumping.
I don't have any ammo left. I don't have any ammo. I don't have any ammo left.
Pistol, you got a pistol. Left the D-pad. Or hit him in the back. Anything to stop that music.
Oh no!
Oh,
Oh,
there's a guy
no.
behind you!
God save the queen!
Yeah, it won't let me drop stuff.
Fatality.
Right in the back of the head! Yeah!
Double action Sepacol. Beats a sore throat painlessly.
I have a
People
feeling
say-
someone's here, someone's on the roof.
Shit. To your left, watch out! He's there, he's there! Yes! Whammy! Yes! Fucking headshot!
Okay.
One guy right in front of us, Savash.
One game.
Ah, I can't kill her.
Shit.
No! No, behind
ranked?
you!
No, no.
Everywhere.
It says ranked arena. You got it on right.
You got a crossbow!
Yeah!
Fiesta.
Hey,
Nice.
you're right!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, you're right.
What? You've got me under your chin.
Done! Savash in the building!
In the building.
Two people left, I'm down.
He finished. Are you fighting yet, Jay? Come on, get in the
Shit.
I got a quick run. Got the assist there. Oh.
You got this, Savash!
Yeah, boy.
Yes. No.
Where are they?
There's one. Go over the other side where the flag is.
Oh no! Got the
Beneath you.
Oh, I
Look, that
saw
no side up. Where are they?
Oh, got a sword.
Come on, Barry, the bedwetter.
Barry the bedwetter?
Oh, God.
Yes, Savash, one left! Come on! You got this! You got this!
Yes!
Raw, painful sore throat. Give it something you can feel working. Cavonia sore throat spray with clout.
Oh,
Ah!
face.
Nice. Fuck him.
A breast. Staples. Just one.
I like it.
Beggars can't be choosers.
Oh. Beggars can't be choosers, no.
Angry priest.
Angry priest.
Yeah, that's all the skins in the game. He's just used rage mode, so he goes right behind you. No, he was nowhere near you.
He was he's right behind you,
Yeah, I
Andrea.
was watching
He
it.
was nowhere near you.
Ultra chloroseptic anesthetic sore throat spray. Numbs in seconds. Ah.
No!
What, did you fall down?
Yes, I fucking did. Every other time it worked fine. But this time, when I
Was
find
it
a fucking bolt action and a Tommy gun, the fucking creme de la
Was it
creme,
fun?
I'm like, die!
Crème de la crème.
Crème la crème Edgar? Smakar gott. Like, I hate backing up! I'm dead. Oh,
Did you
I'm
just
fine.
commit suicide?
Holy shit, did you see that, Sammy?
I didn't lose it last.
Oh no, I fell down like a motherfucker, dude.
Why is no one playing this game mode? That's Vegas one.
I don't know. Maybe I just have to wait a little bit.
No, never works. Me and Savage have waited, and waited, and waited.
Well, you don't
No,
have
it's
your,
a
well,
war.
you didn't have your lucky charm. I am your lucky charm, mate.
Oh.
Summer, summertime.
I do we not
good.
have the new one?
I found this select machine.
Is it extra
Expansion pack.
slutty?
Explosion pack.
Who's the one with the purple hair?
Me.
Cute character.
I don't know why I got it.
No, I'm
Maybe
the
because of
ginger.
the belt pass.
Yeah.
I don't have
Oh
it.
yeah,
I don't.
we all like a ginger.
I don't know. I like to have a soul from time to time, but. Go. Oh, you're here with me, Savage. That's fine. Me and you can stay here. We cool. Aren't we? Cool.
And zombies climb buildings.
They can try and jump, but they're a bit special.
Okay, I can't climb buildings.
Hey, don't make special zombies.
Oh, it's a challenge. Never mind. It's no players. It's just zombies. We need to clear the zombie infestation.
Surprise,
Yeah.
motherfucker!
Oh, Savvy, that was close.
God, there we go.
Fuck. I have no fucking food or no health.
Oh no, Savvy, we need you.
Oh, he's on the roof next to me. What the fuck?
Who's gonna get us all up now?
Deep double trap.
I didn't see it.
Someone's in the church. I'm behind you, Claire.
Oh.
If you go in the church, always behind you. Oh, my God, he had a samurai.
Oh yeah.
Konnichiwa, motherfucker.
Oh, which one was faster? Oh, someone's right by me.
Okay, I'm coming. Yeah, right. He's got a fucking pitchfork. So, he's there, watch out. Yeah, burn him. Oh, look at him. My heart.
Oh, just took all your stuff instead.
Just saw him fly through the air. You seen that there? Watch out, look. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. No. Oh, yeah! Look how quick he is. He's a cheater.
Right, this is not the day, Savage.
Dead. That's one down. Straight ahead of me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes! The other one, where is he?
He said he died. He's got a pitchfork!
Oh god.
That's it, we're going to win! Excellent frozen tombstone.
Look there,
No!
killed someone.
No!
Ah!
Get back, Andre! You're nearly dead. What the fuck?
What the hell? You think this is a trap?
It's a trap!
The fridge? Ah,
It
it
was!
Ah! Ah!
Ah, fuck you, traps!
It's a trap!
I don't like it. Oh, it's a flying jet man in the
Oh,
air.
there's two of them. Don't fuck with them, they're like
Ah.
aliens. They've probably got fucking all sorts of abilities. End up getting abducted, fucking. I got a pitchfork! Bitch!
Yes! The other one. Oh no.
Ah! You fucking right,
No.
man! Did you see how many times I pitched him? Yeah,
Yes.
right. I should have
Should have
raged.
gotten that.
Oh well, unlucky.
Unlucky, but he should have gotten that. Booty drip was weird.
Booty drip.
No one wants a booty drip.
Oh, him.
He
What a
spat my fucking drink out. No one wants a booty drip. Oh, damn.
Yeah, him again. I'm all out of ammo. Fuck my life.
That was like all one word.
What ammo do you need?
No.
It's too much. Even from... Okay, Savage. Kill him then. God. Like aiming at him and you were like, POW!
You need Strepsils Extra. Look, Strepsils Extra has a powerful triple action.
You have a jet.
Yeah.
The sound is fucked up. Ah.
I got one of those. But mine doesn't work, apparently.
Nice. Showers minor sore throat pain and cough with medicine for temporary relief. Absorbs heat and cools your throat.
Feels slickery. Put your throat on nice.
Yes, big bag. Yeah. What is happening?
No, fine.
Oh.
Left arm, no big deal.
I can't concentrate when people are texting me constantly about COVID shit. Can you please leave me alone? Can I just be in peace? I don't know what to tell them. I don't know! I am not a doctor! I just have COVID! I don't know what to do. Don't ask me what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm just here sick. Leave me alone.
Lord Vader, maybe you should try one of these. They actually help you breathe more easily.
On your way.
Oh, there are two of them there.
Okay. We'll run the back room. 1 sec.
Oh, they have a lift.
Shit!
I'm eating.
No!
Fuck.
Bullshit. Hide in the house. It's following me.
I know.
Me. I missed all his bullets! What the noise makes. It's Andrea!
For double trouble, double action lockets help clear your nose and soothe your throat.
Ah, sorry.
Oh, just... Oh, so something. Fucking hell, they ran straight. They want you, Andrea. They want the COVID.
Yeah, they want the COVID.
Oh. One's like trying to get through, smashed the gate. System gave up. Oh! The other one ran into it, they broke the gate. What are they doing? They're both smashing the shit out of the gate.
What the hell?
They just broke the gate down. They're taking the long way round. They can't figure the maze out.
Oh.
Their brains.
Oh, come on!
Get tough on cold and flu symptoms. Mucinex Cold and Flu all in one. Let's end this.
I'm coming.
Come on, bring it to the doctor. Oh. As I was hoping. Down the silly flaps here.
Yep.
Don't mind us, people. Passing through. Going to the next map. We don't want nothing to do with it. I've got a woman here with corona. Stay back. She's Done multiple tests. Can't taste a thing. Keep on powering her.
Oh god. We are seeing ducks out here. Jesus.
That is you.
Don't mind us. Just passing through the entire lake.
Titanic, we're gonna crash. Sorry.
Now we have to go uphill. Now it's not so fun. Yeah, why didn't they make like better cars?
Oh god, everything was going great. Why don't they make better cars?
I'm out.
Fair enough.
Fair enough. Oh, it's a road.
See you at the top.
There's a road.
Oh,
I'm going to take the road?
Yes.
Okay.
Right, straight ahead. You put it down in the fridge, I saw you.
I love refrigerators.
I saw you.
Come on.
Nope.
I fucking fucked it! As if he moved just at the...
I might have picked up everything.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Bye, Georgia!
Wow!
What the... You zombie!
Zombie!
No!
8, 7, 6.
Can you crawl? I can't get in the door.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Fuck off! Right!
That escalated quickly.
Oh, so messy. Oh.
It's already.
What? From where? Potato. Someone is feast morning.
Yeah, here comes fucking broccoli and I never win the rage, especially if there's fucking two. Jesus.
Here comes broccoli and sprout.
I don't know, I was thinking really hard of two vegetables. Like, oh yeah, what's going to sound good? I think I was like a piece of carrots.
Here comes broccoli and sprout. Oh my fucking god. No!
God.
And you've got me deep in the throat of you.
Oh, it hurts. It's just the way it is.
Try a hack and kiss your frogs goodbye.
What? It pitchforked me. This is not a game anymore.
Having a sore throat used to be a real pain in the neck, but now I have it kissed better with these fruity hall soothers. Just allow one to dissolve slowly in your mouth. First the smooth eucalyptus gets to work before the gentle kiss of the real fruit liquid center.